How to change app language on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on the settings option. Now click on the first option here. You will find app language. As you can see now right here on this page, you will be able to change any language that you want. For example, let's choose one of these, France, for example. Now as you can see, click France, French, where is it? I'm sorry, click French and click done right here, and everything now is changed. If you want to change it again, go to the top corner, click settings, click on the first option and choose English, and click here on this green option. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.